Hello students, welcome back to the online class of St. Thomas School. Students, you know that we have already started Unit 3 Exploring Advertising, and we have already discussed Activity 1 and 2 in the last video. Today we will see Activity 3. The article How Advertising Targets Our Children says that advertising tries to persuade people, and in the activity above we talked about advertisers using feelings to persuade people. Already activity 1 and 2 we have discussed the article How Advertising Targets Our Children, and we have seen that advertisers tries to persuade the people through the different slogans, different feelings they use to convince the people. In the article, How Advertising Targets Our Children, Dr. Perry Class is also trying to persuade his reader. We have discussed that Dr. Perry Class in this article tries to understand the reader, the parents, the children, something regarding their advertisement. What does Dr. Perry Class want to persuade his reader to think and do? So we will discuss this. That what here in the article Dr. Perry Class tries to persuade the reader, the parents and the children. So here Dr. Perry Class wants to persuade his children to be aware about advertising, that we have already discussed, that he wants to make understand his own children that they have to be aware about advertising. Even he wants the children to be protected, as advertisers are using internet and social media, and children they used to internet and social medias, so children should be protected. Then he also warns children against advert games, because advert games promote the products, different products through the advertisement, so children should be aware regarding certain games. He also wished that in this information rich world, the children, what messages they take in, what messages they receive through the advertisement, and what they understand. They should understand that here the sellers tries to convince them, and the sellers try to sell their products. So these are the feelings, these are the things here Dr. Perry Class wants to persuade his reader. Dr. Perry Class uses more than feelings to persuade. He also uses evidence from scientific research. Look very carefully at the article. List all the facts and ideas that come from research. Here in the activity 1 we have seen that Dr. Perry Class uses feelings to persuade the people, the parents and the children, and he presented many evidence, many proof also through the scientific research. So here we have to make a list of the facts and the ideas which come out from the research. So the first thing is that advertising of the things like cigarettes and alcohol push the children and especially the young people towards the unhealthy behavior, that he has said through the research. Second thing, the top 4 products in advertisements are fast food, sugared cereals, sugary drinks and candy. So these all fast foods that children are attracted to buy it. The third proof is even a 30-second of advertisement of a new product can change a child's mind. That also we have seen. And another thing, that frequently viewed products, the frequent advertisement of certain products tempt the children more towards the product. And fifth is, children can't identify that advertisement try to persuade them. Children are unable to recognize that here the advertisement try to just convince them. Now let's go to activity 4. Discuss the questions as a class. Dear students, here you can see the picture of one advertisement introducing Sikand with real badam pista. Amul Shrikhand advertisement you can see here. And the few questions are asked here regarding this particular advertisement. So let's discuss these questions. First, who paid for this advertisement? You can see in the picture, dear students, that company name is written there. That who paid for this advertisement? So the milk product company, here the Amul Dairy. Amul Dairy paid for this advertisement. Second question is, what is the goal of the advertisers? Here the advertisers are given advertisement of this Amul Shrikhand. What is the goal behind that, giving this advertisement? So the goal of the advertisers is to make this product, this Amul Shrikhand, more popular among people. So more and more people would buy this product. That is their goal. Third question is, who is this advertisement trying to persuade? This advertisement of Amul Shrikhand, try to persuade the people that they should use more and more it. They should be attracted towards this product, that this product Amul Shrikhand is good for them and they have to buy it and consume it more and more. So that they try to persuade the people. Fourth question. Do you think that the advertisers achieved the goal? What is the goal? The goal is to attract more and more people towards this product and they should buy it and consume it. So here the goal of the advertiser is achieved or not? Yes, of course. The advertisers definitely achieved the goal because this product is so popular among the people. So they would like to buy it, especially the Amul Shrikhand, the company Amul Shrikhand. So here the goal of the advertisers is fulfilled here. Classmates will have different opinions about question number 4. What is the question number 4? That do you think that the advertiser achieved this goal? Some will say yes, the advertisers achieved their goal. But some students will think that no, the advertisers did not achieve their goal. So some students can think that way also. So the different people have the different opinion. Use the paragraph below to help you write about this activity. Here, dear students, we have to fill in the gap regarding the activity 4. In activity 4, the advertisement of Amul Shrikhand is given. And related to that advertisement, we have to fill in the gap here. In my class, we looked at an advertisement for dash. Here the answer is an advertisement for Amul Shrikhand. It was created and paid for by Amul Dairy. It is trying to persuade the people to buy Amul Shrikhand. My classmates had different opinions of the effectiveness of this advertisement. Here students, we don't know what are the opinions of your classmates since we are not in the class. So we will fill in the gap till here. So dear students, I will send you the PDF of activity 3 and 4 which you have to go through and you have to write down in your fair notebook very neatly. So today we will end this video here. Thank you very much students. Bye bye.